Hi, I'm Russ Anderson, product trainer with ASA Abloy, and today we're going to talk about the installation of the 1006 electric strike. It is the most powerful and versatile strike on the market. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and talk a little bit about safety. It's very important to have a good, healthy respect for the power tools and electricity you're going to be using during any install. Okay, so first let's talk about keeping your cords under control and being familiar with the tools that you're going to be using before you actually get to the install. And then finally, having good personal protective equipment, like a good set of safety glasses, because sparks are going to be flying when you're cutting into metal, and having maybe some ear defenders or some headphones or even some light gloves, depending on your particular comfort level. Okay, now let's talk about the 1006 complete pack and what's in the box. First things first, you get the 1006, which is a great strike. You get 5 different face plates, the most common ones you'll find in the security environment. You get a Smart Pack 3, which actually extends the warranty of this product, as well as make it perform better and increase the service life of the actual product itself. First, we're going to talk about the actual cutting of the frame. Now, this is just my personal preference. It's not an endorsement of any kind for any tool over the other, just whatever your comfort level is. And I've used quite a few tools in order to cut frames, and this is what my personal preference is. That's it. So for doing the straight cuts on the frame, I prefer the Saw Max. That actually plunges the blade into the metal, and I'm able to move the blade up and down to make a very nice and straight cut. So that's just that. And then once you've got that cut out, you have your Roto Zip. It's a little bit more powerful Dremel to cut out your dust box. There's no need to bang on the dust box or anything like that. You cut the top and bottom tab and it falls away, nice and easy. You need your file once the cut is made to make it nice and smooth so your 1006 complete pack fits in nice and snug. You need your pliers in order to grab any metals, because it will be hot because of the cutting that's going on and sparking that's happening. Your tape, a 1006 MTK 154 template, which is a very, very vital item when it comes to strike cut-in. It makes it very simple in order to do your measurement, mark around it, and make a perfect cut the first time. Okay, now that we've covered all of our tools, we're going to go ahead and start doing our cut-in process. Let's get our safety glasses on. I'll do a quick test fit of my MTK template here. Okay, it fits nice. Now we're going to mask off our frame. Whatever you feel is comfortable as far as length is concerned is fine. We'll put our template in the ANSI dust box, take our handy marker here and mark around our template. Now we got our marking done. We're ready to make the cut. As you'll see, we're going to do our vertical cut. You just be aware of the sparking, because there's going to be quite a bit with this particular tool. You get your nice straight vertical cut, then you can have a nice guide for your horizontal cuts, and just being safe and just doing your top and bottom cuts. Okay, now that we've made our cuts, as you can see, our verticals and our horizontal cuts, we take a pliers to grab a hold of the metal, because it's gotten quite hot now. As you saw from the sparks, you just grab it, you wiggle it back and forth to free it, keeping your hands away from the edges because it's quite sharp. Now that we've finished our cutting, let's file away some rough edges to ensure that our strike goes in and out of our frame nice and easy. Now that we've got that done, let's test fit our strike. Goes in nice and easy. Now that we've got that done, we'll take this out one more time. We'll remove our tape. And we'll get our strike and our trim enhancer. Install both of those. All right, looks like everything is gonna work real nice, and looks like a professional did it, covering up any of those little erroneous marks or cuts. So the only thing left is install our faceplate, and you've got an install 1006 complete pack. The MKT 154 template is a very effective and time-saving tool. Makes your install quite easy. If you need any more information on any of our templates for a variety of our strikes as well as HES products, go to our website.